Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today in SST we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 13, Food We Eat. So in this chapter we will study about the different food items. We know that there are the 28 states in our country and every state has different culture and tradition, and food items are also the part of our Indian culture. Every state has different food items, and these food items not belong to the particular state, but they also liked by the all the people living in a country. For example, we can say that the South Indian food, that is idli, dosa, sambar, vada, rasam, these are not only famous in South India, but these are also liked by the people, those who are living in North India or in the western and eastern part of our country. So our country India, it is a vast country with various landforms. In the north we have high mountains. After that there is the northern plain, that is the most fertile region of our country. Sandy desert, plateau region, southern plateau, coastal plains, and different islands. So according to the different landscapes, different crops are grown in different areas. Whatever food we eat and whatever crop we grow, it depends on the climate, soil, and the amount of the rainfall the area receives. There is unequal distribution of rainfall in our country. Some areas are there which receive heavy rainfall, many times causes flood, and some areas are there which receive very less rainfall or no rainfall. That causes the situation of drought, that is shortage of water or scarcity of water. So the food items that are grown in the different parts of our country, it depends on the climate of that particular area, that whether there is the hot climate, cold climate, or moderate climate. Soil, it depends on the fertility of the soil, that what kind of soil is good for what kind of crop. We know that there is the different distribution of soil in our country. In the northern mountain there is mountain soil. In northern plain there is alluvial soil, the most fertile soil, that is brought by the rivers that flow through the Himalayas, and this soil is made up of silt and sand and minerals that are brought by the rivers from the mountains, and the rivers deposit these things, that is silt and sand, on the bank of the rivers, which makes the northern plain fertile. In desert area there is desert soil, it has sandy texture. In the southern plateau there is red soil or laterite soil. Black soil is also found in the southern plateau or in northern plain. It is rich in humus. So there are the different types of soil found in our country, and particular soil is good for particular crop. For example, we can say that black soil is good for cotton crop. Black soil is good for cotton and sugarcane. So these all things, that is climate, soil, and the amount of rainfall, all things decided that what particular crop is grown in that area. For example, rice is grown in those areas which receive heavy rainfall, because rice, it needs or it requires a huge amount of water, a lot of amount of water, plenty of water. So rice is grown in those areas where there is heavy rainfall. People living in coastal areas, they eat fish and seafood, rice, fish and seafood, so that is their food item. People living in northern plain, their main food is wheat. Wheat is grown in the northern plain, and people have good cultivation, good production of wheat, and their main food is wheat. In the eastern part and in the southern part of our country, people eat rice, so they grow rice. So it depends on the climate, soil and rainfall, but it also depends the food habits, that what are the different food habits in different areas. So first is food grains, that what are the different food grains that are grown in our country. So wheat, rice, maize, millets, these are the food grains which are grown in the northern part of our country. These are the cereals which are the source of carbohydrates. These are the cereals, wheat, rice, maize, millets. These are grown in our country and are the good source of carbohydrates. Now, according to the different landscapes, there are the different crops grown in our country. In northern states, wheat is grown. Wheat is the staple food of the people living in northern plain. In the western part of our country, people grow wheat, bajra, ragi, millets, jowar and maize. In the east and south, in the eastern and southern part of our country, people grow rice because their staple food is rice, and these are the areas, these are the states which are in east and south, like all the eastern states and the southern states: Karnataka, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur, Assam, Mizoram. So these are the states which receive good rainfall, heavy rainfall. So the climate is suitable for the rice crop. So these are the different crops, that are the cereals that are grown in our country. And the growth of the plant, the growth of the crop is depend on the climate, on soil. It depends on the fertility of soil and the amount of rainfall. The fertility of soil. Now, what is the meaning of fertility of soil? So, fertility is measured by the amount of the strength in the soil, that how much it can help a plant to grow. That is the fertility of the soil. For example, black soil and mountain soil, they are rich in humus. Alluvial soil, these are the soils that are very good for the growth of a plant. But red soil and laterite soil, these are the soils which need fertilizers or manure to increase the fertility of the soil. Desert soil, it has sandy texture and it needs lot of water to grow the crops. After that, pulses means a different variety of dals, different kind of dals. That is a good source of protein. Pulses, or that is a good source of protein that is good for our body. It build our body and repair our body. So there are the different type of pulses that are grown in our country, like gram, black gram, green gram, kidney beans are some of the pulses or dals which are grown in all the part of our country. Next is fruits and vegetables. So along with the food grains and pulses, fruits and vegetables are also the important part of Indian diet. Or we can say that our Indian diet or Indian meal is incomplete without fruits and vegetables. So in our country, fruits and vegetables are grown in different parts of our country. Fruits and vegetables are grown in large amount. The growth of fruits and vegetables is also depend on the climate, soil, and the amount of rainfall. For example, we can say that apples, pomegranate, peaches, plums, these are grown in the cold climate. So these are grown in the hilly areas in northern mountains. So there is a large variety of fruits and vegetables in our country. Some of the fruits and vegetables like banana, potatoes, onions are available throughout the year, not only in a particular season that they are available in summer season or winter season. No, these are some of the fruits and vegetables: banana, potatoes, garlic, it comes in spices, potatoes, onions, they they always available throughout the year. But some of the fruits, vegetables are there which only found in a particular season. For example, we can say that mangoes and watermelon are the fruits which are available only in summer season. Ladyfinger is the vegetable that is only available in summer season. That is available only in summer season. Now same happens in winter season. Vegetables like carrot, peas, they are only available in winter season. Fruits like oranges, only available in winter season. So the growth of the fruits and vegetables also depends on the climate, soil, and the amount of rainfall. Fruits mostly grown in the large orchards, and there are the large orchards in the hilly areas where the different kinds of fruits are grown. Vegetables are grown in the different parts of our country, like in the northern plain. Potatoes are grown in the valley of the northern mountains. After that, vegetables are grown in the northern plains, in the coastal areas, or in the southern part of the country. Different types of vegetables are grown. After fruits and vegetables, next is spices. Spices add taste and color to our food. We know that the people of our country, they are very foodie. They enjoy food of all the part of our country, and it is just the spices which add taste and color to the food. It make our food items more delicious. And there are the different variety of spices in our country. India is the largest producer of spices. Spices are grown in the different parts of our country, in the eastern part of our country, or in the southern part of our country. The Nilgiri hills in Kerala are the good producer of spices. Next is oils. Oil seeds are grown in different parts of our country to take oil from them. Some of the oil seeds are mustard, coconut, sunflower, sesame. So these are the different oil crops. Groundnut is also there, it is not included here, but groundnut, olive. So these are some of the oil seeds which are grown in different parts of our country. And these oil seeds produce different oils which people use in their cooking, which make their food more delicious. Now different oils are used by the different peoples. It depends upon the taste, that what kind of taste they want to include in their food. So according to that, people use different kind of oils. So India is the largest producer of not only the spices but also the oils. India is the largest producer of spices and oils. Different or famous food items of India. It is a part of our culture or tradition that every state or particular state has some different food items. For example, dal bati churma, that is the famous food of Rajasthan. So in the same way, different part of the country have different food items, but these food items not only limited to that particular state, but people living in all over the country, they love to eat, they like to eat the food that belongs to the another states. The main food items of North India are liked in South India. The main food items of South India are liked in North India, not only in the north or south, but in the east or west also. So our Indian food is famous in all over the part of our country. So these are some of the famous dishes, famous food that is liked by the people living in all the parts of our country. Butter chicken, biryani, litti choka, puran poli, khandvi are some of the famous dishes of the different states of our country. For example, butter chicken, biryani from Andhra Pradesh, litti choka, it is from Bihar, puran poli from Maharashtra, khandvi from Gujarat. But these are not only popular in the particular state from where they belongs, but these are the famous dishes which are liked by all the people, which are liked in all the areas, in north, south, east, west. All the people living in the different parts of our country, they like these dishes. Now here are some sweet dishes: kheer, gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun, sandesh and Mysore pak are some of the sweet dishes which are also famous in all the part of our country. So these are the different food items that we eat. The pulses, grains, fruits, vegetables, spices, oil. These are the different things that we include in our meal, include in our diet, which makes our diet healthy diet. And these are the famous dishes that belongs to the different states of our country, but liked by all the people living in a country. And it is just possible by a good means of transport. Our government has provided a good means of transport so that fruits, vegetables can easily send to the other parts of the country. For example, they are taken from that place where they are grown and supplied in another part of country, so that we can easily enjoy the fruits and vegetables which are not grown in our region, but that is grown in the another part of our country. So these fruits and vegetables and different food items are supplied by the different means of transport, like road transport, by train, by aeroplane, by ships. So this is just because of a good means of transport that we can easily enjoy the different food item of our country that is produced or that is grown in the different part of our country.